Yo, you know what time it is. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. I wanted to hop on here real quick. We're going to try to go all day today. Wild morning. The Bears have taken over. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Welcome back to another episode of the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Happy Wednesday. I'm losing track of the days, man. I'm losing track of the days. All right. The road to 1K continues, guys. We're almost there. All right. Unbelievable price action. They are pressing right now. Not a game. All right. Let me make sure. Will it work on both sides? I think there's something. Oh no, it's still there. All right, cool. What a drop. Drop zone action. Where is, I actually gotta bring it up, right? Let's see if it shows up on both. Hope everyone's doing well, man. Welcome back to another episode. Yep, it came up. Nice. All right. Man, we flushed a 24,900, man. In an instant. It happened in like a millisecond. What a drop. Good afternoon. All right, we're going to stay on here for a little bit. I have some errands to run at like 2. So we're going to stay on until then. And then after that, I'll be back on in the evening. Making sure this order goes through. Speaking of that, I need to post another one. Hope everyone's doing well, man. Happy Wednesday. Text messages coming in hot. Hold on. Hey, do we need to winterize? Okay, cool. No, we do not need to winterize yet. We need another month. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the short side, come over to the horizontal side so you can see it better. Shout out to Red Candles. Shout out to the Red Candle Nation. They're family now. Shout out to the Red Candle Nation, man. All right. Let me get this link real quick. All right, man, we survived. This morning I almost messed up an account. I have to stop if I'm small red, and I have to stop when I'm small green. Being greedy doesn't work. You might get lucky a couple times, but it does not work in the long run. Trust me. I was up nicely, and I'm like, oh, this looks like a good setup. Got back in. Then, boom, break even. I was like, oh, no. Then I panicked, went down a couple hundred. I was like, oh, my gosh, here we go again. But then, luckily, I caught a good bounce, and we got back into the green. Now I'm not touching nothing. That's been my downfall this year, being greedy. I think this year I've been paying too much attention to like other people's P&Ls. I need to just get back into the zone, my zone from last year. Why is this not working? Let me see. What is that? Sub alert. Huh. Is there something else? Because I see part of it. What is it? Hold on. Let me see if I move this to see what happens. What's covering it? What's happening? How come I only see, there's supposed to be something on this. So what is that? Foreground. Sub alert. Foreground. Sub counter. Foreground is supposed to be bigger, right? Hold on. I don't know what's happening right now. Dang. There's something covering up my... If I go to Topstep, it's there though, right? Yeah, it is there. So why is it not doing it over here? All right, that's weird. What's up, Kamal? What's going on? Kamal Dorsey in the building. K the new. What's going on? Welcome in. Free chat. That's been my downfall, man. Being greedy. All year, man. Jeez. Free chat in Discord. Yo, shout out to the Red Candles Nation. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building, man. All right. So yeah, we're gonna do like a quick hour, and then we're back on tonight. I might hop on at like as soon as I get back, so like 5. We'll do like 5 to like all night, man. Let's see how many subs we can get. We're trying to get to 1K. Join the Infinity Clan, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, okay. Let me check to see if the sound is good. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. How have things been, Kamal? It's been up and down for me, man. Gains, then I'll take a loss. Then I'll go tilt. And it's just like, I need to switch it up for fourth quarter, man. I gotta at least end the year with something. Jeez. It's been a journey, but I'm holding on. These are real results, my friends. This is not fake. I've been in downturn, man. I've been gaining some, but then losing, gaining some, losing, gaining, losing. So I've just been like close to payout, blowing it on the last day. What am I doing? Sarah Lee says, can you give me a call out? I'm 173 from blowing my funded. Don't do it. What you should do is recalibrate. How much have you lost today? Don't do it. What you should do is lock yourself out. Don't fight it, Sarah Lee. Don't fight it. Relax. Accept. This is what I'm talking to myself as well. Accept the loss for the day and move on. At least you can trade tomorrow. Oh, you were asleep? Look, I've been there before, right? And then like you're trying to like bring the account back. Leave it alone. Just stop. Yeah, it's still dumping, but you don't know when they're gonna pop it back up. Because bulls are gonna fight here and there. But if you can't get an entry, that is the market saying relax. It's lunchtime too. Just relax. You can trade again tomorrow. I've brought back a funded account that was like 100. We were like, man, it was probably less than that. Maybe like $80 left. But you have to stop so you can move forward. I know it sounds crazy, but stop so you can move forward. And use micros. Don't use any minis until you get back above 5, 6, 7, 800 in drawdown. Then you can try to like chunk up, but I would say use micros and relax. Trust me, you don't understand. I've been there so many times. Stop yourself. Sarah Lee, so you telling me to come back when you're on later? Yes, you can come back, but don't trade. Stop yourself. How much have you lost today? That will tell me everything. I've been in your shoes. I'm telling you from experience. I've been trading since 2016. If you keep going, there is a possibility you could blow that account. And it won't be here tomorrow. Us as traders sometimes we are short-sighted because we're like looking at the chart and we're watching the money go into somebody else's pocket. But trust me when I say, relax, get a good night of sleep, and come back tomorrow with some micros. 1 or 2 or 3 micros. And maybe trade once or twice. If you take a hit, small hit, leave it alone. At least make it to Friday. It does something for up here, trust me. Because once you get in that whirlwind of blown accounts, that's what I've been doing this year. It's like a slippery slope. So save your mental trading capital and save yourself for tomorrow. Because it's lunchtime right now. Things could, between lunchtime and like 2 o'clock before the next 4-hour candle, you could get like some random moves. All right, Sarah Lee, trust me, just relax. Part of this game is accepting a loss, and I haven't been doing a good job of that this year. But when I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself. Small loss is okay. Even if it's a big loss, if the funded account is still around, save yourself. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Sarah Lee, I hope you're listening. I hope Sarah Lee is a trader right now. Please stop. Save yourself. Save yourself. I'm talking from experience, ladies and gentlemen. Save yourself. We could bounce hard right here. Where are we at? Yeah, they're looking for a 25K reclaim. I don't think we're going to get it, but we might pop up a little bit and then keep flushing. Oh, I don't know how to do messing with the order. Okay. I got to look this up. I still don't know how to. Wow, he's on Chart Fanatics. He's come a long way. He's been trading for years too. If you stay in the game long enough, you'll be good, man. You'll definitely be good. I'm seeing it. Those who like go through all the ups and downs, those are the ones I see like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years later. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and make sure the shorts. Shout out to everybody on the short stream. If you want to see things better, come to the horizontal stream. There's 2 streams going. I'm gonna get like a note or something up here for the short stream, so you guys know. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Sarah Lee, turn everything off and just look at the YouTube. Turn off the brokerage account. You can come back. It's going to take some time, but relax and come back tomorrow. Survive through Friday at least. All right, guys, I need to get my charger. Hope everyone's doing well. I don't know why this thing is not showing up, because I have like numbers on the. So okay, so how do I maybe if I move this down a little bit more. I don't know what that is. Foreground. Yeah, why is it not doing this? I don't know, bro. Hold on. Why is this so small, though? I wonder if I could, can I, oh, what if I undo what if I undo the thing? Hold on. Undo the foreground by cutting it. Uh-oh, hold on. How do I bring it? How do I revert like a enable preview, lock preview, scaling, blending method, show transition, none. Let's say ooh, there it is. It's back. Okay. So how do I do this? Hold on, wait. There it is. Okay. Why is it doing that? Oh, because whoa. I don't know if I want to do all that. I mean, that's fine. Did I create another one? Okay, I don't know what's going on right now, but is it like over? Uh-oh, hold on. Okay, bear with me, guys. I don't know what the heck I just did. I'm so confused, but we're gonna make this work. How did I shrink that, though? I mean, it looks good now. I don't even want to touch it. Oh no, this thing is kind of. Are we good now? I think we're good. I think we figured it out. All right, entertainment purposes only, man. That's important. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Sarah Lee, I hope you're not trading right now. Leave it alone until tomorrow. Trust me. That's been a part of this year. I've been over trading and being greedy. Stop the greed. Stop the over trading. That's all I need to do, and I'll be all right. My edge is fine. But being greedy after I'm up, that has shot me in the foot multiple times. All right, I think we're good now. Let's transfer. I need my charger. Hold on one second, guys. Do I have it? Maybe. Let's see. Where's the charger? Oh boy. Maybe I should have just waited, but it's cool. I gotta make some moves in like an hour. Excuse me. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Oh, did it just go off? No, it did not. Hope everyone's doing well, man. Got some Topstep gains and got some Apex gains. I gotta keep this thing going. What the heck, man? There was one account on Apex I didn't want to touch, and I touched it by mistake. But we do have another fresh eval that we can figure maybe test it out. What a drop, man. Jeez. This has been the trend line we've been battling all morning. That was like, it's between like 77 and 102, just below 102, this line. I have it drawn from like, I think all-time highs. Or whatever this trend line is. We used it right here, bounced off, used it right here, bounced off, came all the way back. Chaos right here. And now we are falling apart. The trend is to the downside, guys, so any pop, if you're gonna hit it, make it quick. Because the Bears are not playing right now. Got the 15-minute on the left. 270 on this account. I'm not touching it anymore. I'm done. Yo, Topstep reset a lot of, if you got caught in any trades during the AWS outage, they reset accounts, which is cool. If you took an L, or if you were green, even if you were green, I think they reset it. They're like, just whatever balance you had prior is what they reset it for. All right, let's keep on going, guys. Dang. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right. Yeah, these Bears mean business today. They're not playing. No games. Shout out to Mr. Sam. If Mr. Sam is watching, salute to you. I gotta remember to always shout out Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam's been a subscriber for a long time, man. We're on all night, no games. Today's Wednesday. Dang, what do I have to do tomorrow? Lone Wolf Blue 66, what's going on? Mr. Koski's in the building, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I think we're good. Entertainment purposes only, yes. It's on the... What a drop. It's been drop zone action. Shadow band. If you're on the shorts stream, come over to the horizontal stream. You can see things a little better. All right, we're gonna go for like an hour. I need to see if I gotta run some errands. Let's see. Let's go. We have breached 25K, man. We are flowing to the downside, guys. Oh yeah, speaking of that, I gotta figure that out. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Shout out to Sarah Lee. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. All right, this is gonna be a quick stream, and then I gotta run some errands. Then I'll be back. Okay. From now through fourth quarter, for the rest of fourth quarter, I have to practice leaving accounts alone. I think it was easier. It was easier last year because I had like 20 or 30 accounts across Topstep, Knox, Apex. So if I took a L on one, or I landed on the wrong side of probability on one, it was easy to like forget it because I had like 10 more that I could go and trade. But since I'm back in like the rebuilding stages, I've been too hyper focused on brand new accounts. And I have to break that. I have to go back to the mindset I had when I first started. Bit by bit by bit. Get you a payout and then let the props pay for themselves. So I have to go back to that. Jeez, man. But it's just been like a never ending cycle. But we're back. Trying to snap out of it, man. Every trader goes through this, man. It's just a period where they feel like they've lost their touch. That's been me since March, April. But I've been here before, so I know I will bounce back. That's not even the question. But understanding that keeps me going. I'm like, yo, I've been here before. I've been in downturn before. I'll be back. Sometimes that's the market like beating you into submission to like relax. It's like, calm down, man. Calm down. Yeah, but Topstep, Project X, I think they reset accounts. I know they did for Topstep. I don't know about the other platforms. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Buzz, what's going on? Topstep reset my accounts. So they like refreshed it. I had like a day green, yes. Like that day when they had like the issues with AWS, I was green that day, but they've kind of like cleaned the slate. So they kind of like refreshed one of my XFAs. Buzz said, great, mine as well. See, Topstep always makes it right. They definitely refreshed it. I was like, because I was down. I was up and then I was down. Remember during Asia session? So I locked in the first day of green, and then Asia session fought the channel break. It went down like 3, 4, 500, and then they the next day they reset everything. So I'm grateful for it. So now I have to keep this account. So I didn't get this, so that we didn't get the refresh in vain. We don't want to get it in vain, man. We can't throw this one away. Oh, speaking of that, I think I have like a fresh eval on Apex that just like that just popped up. Let me see. Yeah, what is it? The monthly fee. Oh, speaking of that, Apex still has their $85 lifetime fee. I had an eval that I was looking to like. No, I had a past account that I needed to pay for activation, and the sale kind of went away. So I was like, okay, let me just wait until another sale. But I just happened to go in there and check to see what the prices were, and evals are still 80% off, and the activation fee is still $85. So I activated another one. That's the one you see on the screen. So small green. I kind of had to fight with this one, but it's all good. I might do what a drop, man. Insane. I would have taken it off of 990 if I was paying attention. Anything off of that 25K level can flush. I would need to get in at like 80. I might just keep this thing. I think Apex, all you need is like 50 a day. I might micro it up just for the day to count. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I gotta run some errands in like an hour, but we're gonna be on until then. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Let's see if I can figure this out. They do like a super chat goal amount. We could do like a 5. Share how you'll celebrate. Oh, for the giveaway. Interesting. Get inspired with examples. Super chats. Okay, so I'll figure out a way to implement that. I need to get the giveaways going. I might do that. That's a good idea, man. Shout out to Red Candles. Red Candles is giving me some inspiration. Hit the super chat goal, and then we can run like 1 or 2 giveaways. When we get to 1K, we're running some giveaways. I'm gonna do something special for Red Candles too, but we'll see. I'm trying to figure out when to do it. It's gonna be cool, man. One evening to end the week. Red Candles definitely sent over The Red Candles Nation. I appreciate them. Oh yeah, I gotta do some Google Maps too, right? I gotta make sure we execute with these errands efficiently so I can come back. Shout out to Mr. Kramer. Mr. Kramer is one of the reps we use. Shout out to Mr. Kramer. Good guy. It's one of our reps. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's see what we can get in. We're slowly dropping to the downside. 900 is going to be interesting. I don't know if they want to hold that. On the 4-hour chart, the 200 SMA is 773. And below that, we got a level at 734. We are way below, what was, these are all 4-hour. So it looks like they're going to try to revisit these levels again, maybe before the end of the week, 24,500, because we definitely have been bouncing off of these levels. This was the Trump drop. Hold on. This is the Trump drop. It popped, dropped. 500 held, popped, dropped a little bit, popped, dropped. 500 held. We sped back up to 25,400. Now we're pulling back. How deep is this pullback going to be? Dang, that's actually, makes sense. That was like the top of the Trump drop, right? Tariff drop. That's why we had so much we had a lot of turbulence yesterday. Bulls were trying to get out of there, but they couldn't get out. They definitely tried though. All right, man, let's stay the course. Let's keep on going. Sarah Lee, where you at? I hope you're not trading. Save yourself. Save yourself from yourself. Don't overtrade. Jeez. It's the trader's plight. But definitely last year, that muscle was strong. This year, it's been kind of weak. Trading and then stopping. Here and there, I would overtrade or maybe tilt, but more often than not, I would be able to leave the accounts alone. But I'm back in rebuilding stage, and I have to understand that I'm back in rebuilding stage. So in rebuilding stage, I'm going to have less accounts. And going on tilt does not help the operation. Shout out to Mr. Kramer. He's just checking on one of our net 30s. All right, let me see. We can find. Yeah, they're going back to the bottom of that candle. I don't know how they're gonna play it, but let's see. It's 120, right? Might test it up. I do not want to do too much. Let's see how far down they get. 900 might try to hold. NQ. I'm watching it. Will 900 hold, or do we slash right through? Let's see if 900 tries to hold. Or do they go for the bottom of that last wick? Yo, Trade08 has been glitching. I've noticed it. Okay, we're getting 900 bounce. Come on, guys. Can we get anything? Watching to see if 900 can hold temporarily. Yeah, I'm glitching. I was even glitching before I was on stream. So, I don't know, guys. Trade08, if I'm trading Apex, I might need like a different method. Jeez, slam down. Still testing 900. See if we can get anything. One micro at a time. Do they want to flush us? Or does 900 hold? Put my stop right at 900. Do they slash through? Woo! They're dropping the gauntlet. That's 900 right there. They might sweep it. We'll see. Trying to give myself a little sweep room. Somebody's trying to hold it. Give us something. Let's see if they try to pop it. Oh man. Nada. No cigar. I should have taken that temporary bounce. Let's see if it can go. Come on, 900 bulls. Give us a temporary pop. Okay, now I gotta trap the price action if I can. If I can get under here and Trade08 can stop glitching. Oh, they're gonna stop me out. Dang it. Come on, 900. You can do it. Come on, 900. Pay attention to your triple zeros and your double zeros. They're testing it. Oh no. 904, they're going for it. They're gonna stop me out. 900 is trying its best to hold, but is not holding right now. Here we go, 900. Here we go, can you hold? If we breach 900, we got a long way down. Yeah, Trade08 has been a little glitchy, man. I might have to do something. That's why Topstep dropped them. 67 is the bottom of that last wick. So we could play off of that, but we need more of a dive. Insane. These bulls are not playing any games right now. Or these bears aren't. Watching to see if do they want to sweep the bottom? Where are we at on Think or Swim? Yeah, they might continue this. Let's see. Temporary pop. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Bears ain't playing. They're going for the jugular. This is the low. They might sweep it. The Bears are unstoppable right now. I'm watching to see if they pop things up before they continue lower, but they want to keep going. It's been red candle after red candle after red candle. Nothing. Let's see. Yeah, they're just tanking it, man. They're tanking it. Wow. What a drop. Insanity. They're flying to the downside. If they flip this green candle, this 5-minute candle red, I'll add a little bit. I mean green, if they can hold. Let's change this to 5. Yeah, this thing is definitely glitchy. Definitely glitchy. I don't know what's happening, but it's definitely glitchy. Let me protect myself. Definitely glitchy. That's not good. Watching to see if this 5-minute can flip green. If we can flip green, we'll take a little bit of cash. We'll see. Come on, Bulls. Ooh, a 900 reclaim would be great too, temporarily, if we can get it. There we go. We're getting something. Get up there. Get up there. Playing the 5-minute flip. Oh my gosh. Trade-Ovate is playing games. Trade-Ovate is playing games. Hey man, Trade-Ovate is playing games, guys. I don't know what the heck that was. Alright, we're testing the 900 reclaim. Yeah, it's very glitchy right now.
Stop filled.
I think you guys can kind of like see the glitchiness, right? Still playing 900. Let's see if it can hold. We're gonna test it. Are they going for the jugular? Or can they keep it green? What's the open? Open is 89. If they flip it red, I'm out. They're going for it. Dang. They trapped me. All right, this one I'm leaving alone. We'll leave this one. This is like a fresh PA. That was a temporary bounce, but I didn't clip it the way I wanted to. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Oh, bro. Bro trying to buy in the bearish market. What's up, man? How you feeling? 9648. Hope all is well, man. Hope you're green on the day. Shout out to Buzz. Buzz is in the building. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Appreciate the sub. I had. Odd. Shout out to Bro. Shout out to Buzz. If you're on the short side, come over to the horizontal side. I gotta run some errands in like 45 minutes. So we're on here scalping. Oh, we're getting a bounce. God dang it. I might hit it one more time. 400 is my stop. $9.17 is a fib level. Nothing. Yeah, they're dropping it. Watching for a temporary bounce at 900. But if it can't hold, I'm done. 400, I'm out. 400 is my limit for the day. Big battle at 900. Let's see if they try to curl it up. 917 is a fib level. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to all the subs, the new subs. Appreciate the subscribers. The new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. $36. $36 is way up here. $900 bulls, can you hold on? What's this open? 89. My stop is like in the bottom. Let's see. They tried, but they're kind of struggling. Watching to see if we can get a reclaim. If we can't, it's a wrap. For a quick scalp. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, this might be the temporary bounce. Let's see how high it can get. If we can get into the teens, I'll scalp it. Somebody's trying to flip it green. I'll protect myself. There it is. 17 is a key level. Moving the stop up. It's super volatile right now.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I gotta come up with something for it. I need a trade ovate.
Order filled.
I need a trade ovate solution. Maybe, I don't know what else to use. What else do you guys trade Apex on? Trade ovate has been my platform since the beginning. Does 900 hold? Put my stop at 900, 200. Looking for 200 up if we can get it. 34 is like the 34 or 40. Pump, 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 pump. Go. Glitchy, glitchy, glitchy.
Stop filled.
Can you guys like see it on the screen how glitchy it is? It's definitely glitchy. Okay, so now that things are pulling back to the EMAs, once we get a red candle, we can take it back down and maybe retest day lows. Let's see what the 15s looking like. Technically, from a 15-minute perspective, we got a little bit of room up. But the 5-minute trend has been holding strong. We got fresh 1 hour and 25, fresh 1 hour and fresh 4 hour and 25 minutes. Shout out to the YouTube universe. You guys are great. Shout out to the Red Candle Nation. Where are my mods? Let everyone know about Red Candles Nation. They'll put like the link. Yo, if you don't speak in the Discord, I gotta put you back in the waiting room. So whoever got into the Discord, if you didn't say anything, I gotta put you back in the waiting room. I can bump you up, but oh God. Shout out to JP. All right, guys. All right, now they're trying to flip it. Let's see. 900 is gonna be interesting. I've been caught in this type of play so many times. Let's see if this is a real reversal. That turned out, the EMA has been holding. We'll see. Shout out to JP, man. JPZ. Algo. Oh, they're going for it. Jeez. Now from here, if we get another squeeze, they're gonna go. Damn, we got space down, man. Let's see if we get the continuation. Continuation. They're going for it, man. Fresh day lows coming in hot.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get the break. They're going for it. Boom. Do they hold? We'll see. Let's run some micros down. Let's run some micros down. Do we get continuation? Or do they try to pop back up? We'll see. Yeah, they're getting active. Bears ain't playing no games. None. Yep, there it goes. Wow. I need to have a, maybe like a, yeah, it's definitely glitchy. I need to figure out how to, what does everybody else play? Lone Wolf Blue says, break the lows. Yeah, man. These bears are relentless right now. Insane. From here, we got space down, man. We got some space down. I played that temporary pop back to EMAs. These two candles right here. only thing with these, you just got to be quick. Be quick and have the cojones to go against the trend for like 2 seconds and then continue with the trend back down. When I'm going for those short plays, it's a short target, in and out. Then you rejoin the trend back to the downside. I'm a scalper, guys. For those who didn't know, shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66, Mr. Koski. I gotta run some errands, man. I do not want to go. I want to stay on here with you guys, but I gotta run some errands in like 30 minutes. And I have to look at the. Let's go to the Google Maps. It's Wednesday. Self-control. City with walls or city without walls? Does anybody get that? Does anybody get that analogy? Are you a city with walls or are you a city without walls? Okay, what was the I need the address. More recent. All right. Wow, they're getting busy. They're getting busy, ladies and gentlemen. They are getting busy. Yeah, we got space at 800. Let's see if 800 holds. There's $100 drop. 2 candles. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. What's going on? Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you took some plays today, are you red or are you green? We'll run a poll in that afternoon. I should be back on here by like 5-ish. 5:30-ish. That's the goal. Lone Wolf Blue says green. Nice. Lone Wolf Blue 66 is a silent assassin. A gold connoisseur. Wow. Drop zone, man. Look at that. We've dropped 500 points. Where's the open? Let's do. Hope everyone's doing well, man. We don't like that, man. There is no crystal ball. There's just probability. Yo, where's Mr. Powell? Powell is somewhere watching the markets fall apart. This has been an interesting fourth quarter, man. We were supposed to get like September was supposed to happen. That never happened. We kept on going. Now we're in October. October was supposed to maybe be the sentiment of what September usually is. I mean, maybe we get it into the end of the month, like it's happening right now. But we'll see. We'll see. This would have to be a major pullback. We will see. All right, guys. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the Discord. If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the... Did I pin it? Gold, baby, gold. Let's go. Shout out to Mr. Koski. Let me go ahead and pin this. Should have pinned this. I'm trying to get this quick stream in before 2. Let me see if I can find this address real quick. Shout out to everybody in the chat. The train is going to continue with or without you. The infinity train will continue. So either hop on board now, or you'll see us down the line later. It's all good. It's part of the YouTube game. Win some, you lose some. Whoa, my bad. Ah, my brother John. Look at that. I was just thinking about him like 2 or 3 days ago. Mr. Bush. One of my guys I went to school with. That's my guy, man. I gotta text him. Dang. Let's see. Wow. What's the name of that thing? That's a good one. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Let's go. The road to 1K continues. Where is Sarah Lee? Sarah Lee. I hope your funded account is still alive. We discussed this. Shout out to Sarah Lee, man. Sarah Lee, we discussed this. She's still listening. All right, let's see what's happening here. Did we get a little bit of a bounce? Might test this green candle back up. Back to the EMAs. There is a gap right here though that I'm kind of fighting, but we'll see. When will the price action breathe? We got 10 minutes fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot. And you know what that means. 10 minutes before a fresh 4-hour candle, you're gonna get a little volatility going on. Let's play in the mud. Let's see where she goes. All right, let's trap the price action. Let's see if we can get some push. Fresh 4-hour candle coming in hot, really hot. But the last 10 minutes before a 4-hour candle, things get crazy. Things can get crazy. Took a little piece down 165. Little gap right here. Now, if we break this gap and hold it, then we got confirmation, a little bit of confirmation to maybe 15-minute EMA retest. Boy, hope you guys are doing well, man. Happy Wednesday. This is our little mini gap on the 5 minute. Yeah, Trade of 8 is glitchy, guys. Do I have to figure out a different way to trade Apex? There were a couple plays I was in and I was like, what the heck just happened? When it's glitchy, like the price action teleports. Dang, look at Topstep, is just falling to the ground, man. Look at that. To the ground. We're green on Topstep. I'm leaving this one alone. I'm not touching this one. Topstep, you can get yourself in trouble. Topstep, you can definitely get yourself in trouble. Look at these candles, massive 15-minute candles. Massive. Shout out to Topstep for resetting the accounts, man, after the AWS issue. That was cool. Shout out to them. Fresh 4-hour candle coming in super hot. Extremely hot. Lone Wolf Blue says, gold baby gold, let's go. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says, I need to find one more 150K account for just trading silver. Yes, 150K accounts are maybe my favorite. The 150K and the 250K, that's where I got them. I think I got the majority of my payouts from those accounts. If I go back and do the math, from Apex in particular, but then Topstep, I got all of my payouts from 50K accounts. But a 150K Topstep account, that would be dangerous. I'm gonna consider that, but I need a couple payouts before I do that. We're gonna work on it. If I can get a 150K with Topstep, now that account can get dangerous. Because you have a little bit more breathing room on there. Lone Wolf Blue 66 says, I like the 50Ks, but silver is too volatile for 50K. Yeah. See, Mr. Koski has done his homework. NQ is can be too crazy for 50K for sure. Depending on the drawdown too, Topstep gives you 2,000. I wonder how much they give you for the 150K. I gotta look that up. I've never tried it. All my bigger accounts have come on Apex. All right, man, it's looking like it's time to go. Hold on one second. Hold on. All right, guys. Quick stream, just an hour. We'll be back on next in the next couple hours. Lone Wolf Boost 66 says, I use micros for NQ and Go. Yes, I've transferred to the micro gang for the majority. Topstep, I sneak a couple minis in, but for Apex, I'm trying to go micros, all micros. All right, guys, I gotta run, so I'll be back at like 5-ish, 6-ish, depending on when I get back. So you guys be safe. Shout out to Lone Wolf Blue 66. Shout out to the Red Candles Nation. Shout out to Buzz. Shout out to Ahad. Ahad. Shout out to Buzz. Shout out to Sarah Lee. I hope Sarah Lee didn't keep trading, man. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. All right, guys. I will see you guys in a couple of hours. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Consistency over home runs, ladies and gentlemen. Don't overtrade if you don't overtrade. Have a goal for the day and keep it. I'm talking to myself when I say this. Consistency over home runs, bases win the game. Trust the process, do not rush the process. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You guys be safe, be good to yourselves, and be good to others. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I'll be back on in a couple of hours. See you guys. Be safe, be safe, be safe. Peace.